This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear my voice? Anybody please confirm? Okay, thank you. So yesterday we were discussing about SonarQube and Maven integration. So these are the steps. Hope you have tried it already. So these are steps to install SonarQube. So while installing the SonarQube, what we did, we went to POM file. In the POM file, in the properties, we have added these three new tags. So first tag will inform that what is the URL of our SonarQube server. This is the URL of our SonarQube server, and SonarQube server by default listens on port number 9000, whereas Jenkins server listens on 8080. Right? So also we have to add one more tag, login tag, that is admin tag, and password tag. And in the password, you have to provide your own password here. Right? And then after adding this in the POM file, then we have to run a goal called sonar. So Maven is a Maven tool, and this is a goal we have to run. When we run this to goal, yesterday we saw our code has been built and code has been reviewed. Code review has been done on our code. So this is our source code ls. These are source code. Source code normally developers write it, and it will be available in our source folder. So whatever code available in the source folder, that all code will be reviewed by the Sonar scanner. So Sonar scanner will be review the code inside the Sonar source folder, whatever code available in the source folder, and then that a report will be generated by the Sonar scanner, and that report will be uploaded into the SonarQube server. So SonarQube server will be should be running so that we can see the report. So go to our website, SonarQube website. So this is the SonarQube website we have uploaded yesterday. So this is a project name. This is the same project name that we uploaded through our Maven goal. So in this project, it's a project name, and it shows that bugs and vulnerabilities are spot reviewed, code smells, code coverage, various other details it is showing. Now, when you go to our issues tab, on the right side we have issues tab. In this tab, it is showing all the issues found by the Sonar scanner. So Sonar scanner has updated. Okay, Sonar scanner has the updated with the issues after doing the code review. Right? So these are the results. So these things we will send to our teams, developer teams. The report we will send to teams, and teams will work on these issues. They will work on the issues, and because these issues will not belong to one developer, it belongs to multiple developers. They will work on the issues. So that is about it. And next is issues, shows the issues, and next thing is rules. In the rules, I told you yesterday, every language have some predefined rules here. Every language have predefined rules, right? Before we go into predefined rules, one thing we discussed yesterday, that is adding admin and password is not correct way of doing. So instead of that, what we can do, we can use token. We can use token. So how can we do token? We have to use Sonar token instead of what, username and password. So what we can do is, in place of admin, we have to give the token ID, and this password is not required if you have the token. So how can we, before we go to this all these options, let us go create a token now. Yesterday I've shown you on the right side, we have the username
Um,
with the user yes, yes,
yeah,
Naveen.
your screen is stacked.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, your screen is stacked.
Oh,
We're
is it?
not able to see it. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay. Please let me know if your issue continues. I will wait.
Still, we can see that home page of SonarQube only.
Oh, is it? Uh-huh. Is the same with everyone?
No, Naveen, you can check with your network. I can see
You can see the
the
go to
chat.
meeting screen.
Yes, go to meeting screen.
Okay, okay. Naveen, are you using Wi-Fi connection?
Yes, madam.
Is
Just now
anybody
I can
using
see that
this?
automatic link only. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. In your home, anybody using the same connection? If they're using the same connection, sometimes it will be delayed. That could be a problem sometimes. It's okay. Let me know again. Now I'm showing the dashboard. Please let me know. Are you able to see dashboard now? The rules screen now, Naveen.
No, madam. I can see only the Google Meet homepage only.
Hmm. So somebody using your Wi-Fi network in your home, maybe some load is there on your Wi-Fi network.
Yeah. Okay. I will check.
I think so. I'm not just guessing. I'm not sure. Naveen, what you are seeing now?
Jenkins homepage.
Okay, okay. If we are not
Yeah.
sync, just let me know. So I was saying that we should not use username and password. So instead of that, we have to create a token. So for that, on the right side, sub here admin is there. So that is the reason A is showing. If somebody with other Madan is there, then M will be shown here, right? It is a normal thing. So click on that icon. Click on that icon and click on my account. Are you able to see my icon? My account, Naveen? Are you in sync with me? I
No,
have clicked
madam.
on.
Still, I can see that go to meeting homepage only. Just now.
Okay, better you go to switch to your geo data
Okay.
for some time. Please others let me know if you also facing the same issue. Then I will check my end. Swaraj, what about you? Are you able to see the administrator page? Swaraj, Uha.
Yes, Madan, I'm seeing.
Okay, Swaraj, what about you? Swaraj, can you hear me? Fine, fine. But I cannot hear you. No problem. Are you able to see my screen? Naveen, how is it now? Swaraj, are you able to see the
So I'm
administrator
able to hear
screen?
you.
Yeah, and what about share screen? Are you able to see the screen? Administrator
Yeah.
screen?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Swaraj, perfect. Perfect, Swaraj. Thank you. So here in the administrator screen, click on security. So what I did, I clicked on the icon on the right side, clicked on my account, and in that I am clicking now security tab on the right side. Click on the security here, generate tokens. So tokens, if you want to enforce security by not providing the credentials of a real SonarQube user to run your code scan or to invoke web services, you can provide a user token as a replacement of the user login. This will increase the security of your installation by not letting your analysis user's password going through your network, right? So you have to give some name. So generate token, enter token name can be anything. I will give the token name as project 9. My project name is project 9, so I have given project 9, and type I am using user login, user token. Select user token. Now I have selected user token and this expires in 30 days. Now I am clicking on generate. Now a new token project name has been created. Make sure you copy it now. You won't be able to see it again. Okay, that is the reason I am copying this token and I'm saving here. This is my token I've saved here. So what next I have to do is, you see we have added here already. So now what I can do is, the SonarQube host name you have to give like this, and then and your admin part, only admin part. In the admin here, username is admin, right? So in place of that, you have to give the token name, token id. Copy this and replace with admin. That's all you have to do. And here your IP address should be same as your SonarQube server. So SonarQube server IP address, what is the IP address of SonarQube? Select SonarQube. We have ending with 191. So I also having same 191. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to my Maven tool, running on one of my server. Control C, stop it. Open the POM file. Insert mode, go to insert mode. Type I. Come down. Escape insert mode for a moment. Here the password line, complete line I want to delete. So what is the command? DD, small dd. The complete line is deleted now. Then insert mode again. Now go to admin. Here admin, in place of admin, I will remove admin now. And then I will right click and I will click on paste. The token has been pasted here. Hope you're understanding. Very simple, right? Now escape. Now come out of it. Anybody facing issues? Now now POM file has been modified. Now next thing what I will do, before I run the command to test it whether it is now uploading it or not properly, what I can do, let me delete my project, the project which has been uploaded before. I want to delete it. How to delete it? I'm sorry. So here I have to click on the project name. Right on the right side we have project settings. Click on project settings. On the bottom we have deletion option. So click on the deletion option. Now here on the left side again we have to click on delete button. Delete this project. This operation cannot be undone. So delete it. Done. Now when you go to project, you won't see any issues now. You won't see no issues. Nothing has been shown. Again we have to upload. Again I have to scan it and I have to upload the report. So for that what I have to do is, now what I have to do is, we have to run same command maven sonar colon sonar. This goal we have to run and press enter. Now this time with the help of our token, it is trying to connect our SonarQube web server and it will upload the results. Right? Build has been success. It has been uploaded. Now what I can do, and you see here it has used the profile, quality profile. The rules it has applied is existing default profile. So where I can find the default profile? Sonarway is the profile. So quality profile it is using for Java is Sonarway, and in our course, in our code we have XML also. So XML is scanned using the rules SonarWay rule. Okay, these rules will change in a moment. Okay, now let's go to our SonarQube dashboard. Now refresh. See, now the reports again upload again. The product is shown again here. That means now we are able to understand, instead of using the password and the password, we can use the token. So try this as well. While practicing, you have to try this as well. Okay, remember. Next thing is that now try to understand the issues. Here are the default issues and go to the rules. And as of now, Java having these many rules applied. When you click on Java, so these are all the rules associated with our Java language. And this next is C sharp. These are the rules for C sharp language. Like that, for every language, they have respective rules available here. Now go to Java. Now in this, suppose I want to add my own profile. For example, these are the rules by default. And when you go to quality profiles, click on quality profiles. When you come down, you see quality profiles are collection of rules to apply during an analysis. So these are all the rules. And so quality profile means what? It is a collection of rules, the same rules, the profile referring, the quality profile referring the rules to apply during an analysis. For each language there is a default profile. All projects not explicitly assigned to some other profile will be analyzed with the default. Ideally all projects will use the same profile for a language. So you see C sharp one profile is there. So the profile name is SonarWay. For CSS also one profile. Like that, we are our Java language also having one profile. Its name is SonarWay. So this SonarWay is a profile, default profile. It having around 479 rules applied on it. So we got these issues. I'm opening it in duplicate window. We have these issues. These all issues are found because of these rules, 479 rules. Anybody facing any issue? Anybody facing issue? Naveen, how is it now? Are you able to view are you in sync with me?
No, madam. Still, I'm facing same issue. Don't know why.
Oh, can you rejoin, Naveen? I will wait. Can you rejoin with your Wi-Fi?
Yeah, I have joined multiple times as of now. Still, I think.
Okay. No problem, Naveen. You go through the recording. If at all, if you face any issue, we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, right. Please others let me know if you also facing the same issue, then I will stop the session for today. If you are not facing this issue, then I will continue. Any of you just respond here. Remaining three, please. Revanti, Uha, Swaraj. Any of you facing issue like Naveen? Let me know, please. Thank you confirming. Revanti. Okay, thank you. Revanti, what about you? Fine, thank you. Naveen, unfortunately, you have some issues. So now, for example, I want to create my own rule. As of now, they are using their own rule, SonarWay rule. Now, all my Java applications, I want to I want to create one more profile. I don't want to use this profile. I don't want to use this profile. I want to create a new profile. As of now, if you see, it is using Java using same SonarWay profile. It contains 479 rules now. Now what I want to do is I want to create my own profile with some new rules I want to create. So these rules, as a DevOps engineer, I will not be able to create. This information will be provided by the developers. So for that, they will, once they provided, then what I can do, they will ask us to create a new profile. Then on the right side, we have option called create option. Click on the create option. Then it's saying new quality profile. What type of profile do you want to create? Extend an existing quality profile, copy an existing quality profile, create a blank quality profile. create a new quality profile with no active rules by default. So this is one. Create a new quality profile as a replica of the copied quality profile. The two profiles will evolve independently. So we have three types. So as per the requirement, whatever they say developers, we have to go with it. So let me choose the copy and existing quality profile. Let me select this one. Let's see. I have selected this one. Then language. What language? All so language you have to select. I want to select Java language. I want to apply this new profile for my Java language. And what is a profile to copy? So by default, SonarWay is the one it is using. I want to use the same one. And now here I will say new name I want to give. Some new name I want to give. So Java uh, custom profile. Java custom profile. Then click on create. Choose the language, profile to copy and create. Now you see this Java custom profile. Now Java custom profile is a new profile. It having active rules 479. Why it having 479? Because we have copied it from our SonarWay profile. So whatever SonarWay having, the same rules are applied to our Java custom profile as well. And out of this 479, 149 are not active. Actually, total rules how many are there for Java? 628. Out of the 628, SonarWay is using only 479. Remaining, it's not using. Which one? SonarWay rule is not using. SonarWay. So go to quality profiles, come down. Java is having two profiles now. You see two, but as of now it is using SonarWay, and this is a Java custom profile. Java custom profile and SonarWay is using it. Both having same number of rules. Now let me change this, modify this a little bit. Activate more. The button is there. Activate more. Let me do this. Activate more. Click on activate more. So already we have 479 rules applied, and these are the other rules which are not activated. Which are not activated, right? So bulk change. I want to do bulk change. So activate in Java custom profile. You can do this bulk change. All can activate at a time, or let me activate few of them. Activate. So it's saying, okay, you want to activate it, but what if, for example, what if this issue found, this issue you want to make it as a minor issue or blocker or critical, major, what you way you want to show it. So this also will be told by the developers, because we are not developers. We don't know what is the impact of this issue. If this code does not, if it's the issue found by the Scholar scanner while scanning our source code, then how to treat it? It's as a minor issue or major issue, how to treat it? This also they will inform us. So don't worry. So we want to take our own decisions. These are quality profile. And then here I'm saying major issue, activate. This has been activated. Now similarly another one also I want to activate something. This also major, activate. Some randomly I'm picking. Okay, these are I have picked now. Right. Then what I will do, let me go to my quality profiles. Now if you come down to Java, now I have added 6 profiles extra, sorry, 6 conditions extra. Now it came, number became to 485. SonarWay is having only 479. I have used 485 now because I have added new thing. Now whenever I build my Maven application here, whenever I build it, I have built here. So when I'm building it, it has expired the session, no problem. So then I have to inform to my Sonar scanner, which is running on my Maven on server, which is running here. I want to inform to my Sonar scanner that do not use SonarWay, use my Java custom profile. For that we have to make, as of now SonarWay is default. I have to make my Sonar custom profile as default. SonarWay should not be a default one. I want to make this one as my default. For that, on the right side, we have a settings option. Click on that. Here we have set as default option. Set as default option, select it. Now you see Java custom profile is default one. Java custom profile is the default one. Now we have two profiles and I am making my profile as a default one. So now onwards, every project, whatever you scan, every Java project will use this profile to scan using these rules applied to this profile. Now what I will do, let me check whether this new profile has been used by my SonarQube or not. So go to our project, session has expired. So I have to go to this project. Here the POM file is there. Simply what I have to do is same, I have to run my project again. Project sonar is a goal. Previously the issues we have around 7 issues it's showing. Let's see any issues. Let's see whether it increased or not in a moment. Okay, it is completed. Now I am interested to see whether my Sonar scanner used my custom Java scanner or not. That I want to check. Just scroll up. Just let me know if you notice. Now you see here quality profile for Java. It has used what? Java custom profile, right? Previously it was using SonarWay profile, but we have changed and informed that do not use SonarWay default one, use my Java custom profile. So our quality profile selected by default by Sonar scanner, it has selected our Java custom profile. So it has connected to our SonarQube server and it has pulled the default profile, that is Java custom profile, and it has applied those 485 rules on the Java project. So let us go to our web server. Let me refresh once. No big change, only 4 or 5 we are added, right? That is the reason no big change showing here. But this is a process of adding your own quality profile. But one thing you should understand, whatever profile you are adding here, this applies to every Java project. But there is a condition, sometimes there is a condition like only for specific projects I want to apply this special profile, but for all the remaining I want to use SonarQube. That means assume there are 10 projects. 10 out of 10 projects, 6 projects or 7 projects want to use SonarWay default one, and remaining 3 or 4 projects they want to use the custom profile. So if you added under quality profile, if you added this profile as default, then all those 10 projects has to be scanned using the custom profile, but that is not correct way. So the developers will inform us saying that only for specific these 3 projects you apply this, but remaining all of them apply SonarQube. So sorry, SonarWay rule. Or you can create, they may ask you to create one more profile. You can create one more profile as well. Create. Like that, you can create multiple profiles. And every profile you can associate for respective project. But as of now, I am not able to, I am not showing you how to associate it. I will show that as well in a moment. But as of now, try to understand this one will be applied to every Java project. For that reason, what I will do, I will make my SonarWay default. I will roll it back, set as default. Now my SonarWay is default now. Then My project which is here on the dashboard, this one has to use my custom profile. Then what I can do is click on my project Java web app. Click on this project. Now go to our project settings. If you observe carefully, we have quality profiles option here. Go to that project specific quality profile. Now it's showing what it's showing, quality profile instance default 479. Okay. And your option is change profile option is there for XML. Our project using Java and XML, that's the reason it is showing these two. If any more languages are used, those are also displayed here. But for Java, I want to change my profile. On the right side, click on change profile. Here, change Java quality profile. Always use the instance default quality profile. Currently it is having SonarWay built in. Currently it is using SonarWay built in, but I don't want to use that one for this project. Select the other one. Always use, select this radio button and drop down. You have our Java custom profile which we have created just now. Select that one and now click on save option. Now the Java custom profile has been added here. Sorry, it will be shown you somewhere. So it having 485 rules now. It having 485 rules now. So this project 9 Java web app is using our profile which having 485 rules. So again, if you click on change profile, it is selected the second option, Java custom profile. Cancel it. So now it is using Java custom profile instead of Sonar Way. Any questions here? Please let me know. So everybody's silence means I am assuming you are able to understand. Naveen, okay. Naveen, any luck? Right. Hope you understood what is code profile and how to change for project specific and for all the Java projects. Quality profile means set of rules to perform code review. So that is about code profile, quality profile. Okay. So it depends again project to project. They will inform us what to do. Next comes quality gate. Next is the small concept called quality gate. What it is? Quality gate represents set of metrics to identify project quality, whether quality by whether is it is passed or failed. Quality gate represents set of metrics to identify project quality by whether it is passed or failed by following some metrics. So here what are the metrics? Metrics are like, no, if you go to our dashboard, on the right side we have quality gates. Click on the quality gates. In the quality gates, by default it is using SonarWay gateway. Here also we can create our own gateway by clicking on the create option. But as of now, first of all, understand what are the metrics available here. Okay, so metrics are conditions. These are the conditions. Code coverage. First is the matrix code coverage. Code coverage, if less than 80%, then this metric has been failed. These conditions, all conditions should be matched. So duplicate lines, if duplicate lines are more than 3%, then also the metric has been failed. Duplicate lines should not be more than 3%. Coverage, code coverage should be less than 80%. If it is less than 80%, then it's a poor code coverage. Maintainability rating is worse than A. Technical debt ratio is less than 5.0. Reliability is worse than A. Security hotspots reviewed is less than 100%. Security ratings is worse than A. So these are some of the conditions. Based on these conditions, the project will be decided whether it is passed or failed. These are the metrics. So normally in real time, 80% is not sufficient. Client asks more than 90% actually. So these are the metrics. So that is the reason when we ran our application initially, these are the metrics shown. It is passed. The gateway saying it has been passed. So when it is passed means the quality gateway has been passed, right? Here it is showing quality gateway on the left side. Quality gate passed 1, failed 0. So it has been covered 80%. That is the reason it is not showing any issue. So security review, everything are proper. Various other metrics are shown here. So now if you want to change your own metrics, if they ask us, no, change it from 80, change it to 80 to 95% or 90%, then you can create your own metrics. How? Click on the create option. You can give a new custom quality gateway, quality gate, save. Now custom quality gate has been shown here. Okay, but it is not default as of now. SonarWave is default. On the right side we have option called set as default, but before setting it as default, this is my custom quality gate. Now you want whatever you want to change, you can change. Mostly we will change these existing things. That is the reason it is giving edit option. But when you click on edit option, here unlock editing option, when you click on unlock editing option, you can add few more conditions, few more metrics as well. We have only here 6 metrics. You can add few more metrics if you click on unlock editing. As of now, the conditions, we are not able to add the conditions, new conditions, but you can add new conditions as well. But as of now, coverage, this one I want to increase from 80 to, I will say, 90%. Update condition, this may new coverage. Now this also will be informed by the developers to us, so we will do accordingly whatever they say. And they may ask you to add one more metric, so that you can do it by clicking on unlock editing. Click on unlock editing. So when you click on unlock editing, just scroll up. We have a button enabled now called add condition. You have to click on add condition, click on it. So these are various conditions. These are various conditions. This coverage has been already added. That is the reason it is grayed out. Duplications also added. It is grayed out. So many conditions are available. Many conditions are available. So as per the requirements, whatever they say, basing on that, we can add our conditions. So critical issues, let's select critical issues is greater than. If critical issues are greater than some 3%, for example, then add. This is the condition I want to add. Now, one more condition, critical issues has been added. This is a new metric, 7th metric. Now this has been added. If it is less than greater than 3%, then it considered as a failed gate, quality gate. So what it's saying, you have added extra condition to the clean as your code quality gate, which is something we do not recommend. Okay, no problem. This anyway I am not interested, because anyway developers will going to tell us what to be added, what not to be added. And next thing is that now onwards I don't want to use SonarWave gateway gate quality gate. I want to use my custom quality gate. Then you click on set as default. Now our custom quality gate has become default. Now whenever you run this next time, our custom quality gate will be considered, right? So it's, I think it is session has been over. So this way we can add quality gates, your own quality gates you can add. Any questions till now, please let me know. So conclusion is what? Conclusion is that if project quality gate is failed, then we should not accept that code for deployment. So as a DevOps engineer, we should not develop it. As a DevOps engineer, we will perform code review and we will send code review to development, as this is already we discussed. Development team. Okay, for this we will send them Sonar server, SonarQube server URL, so that development team will work on fixing the issues. So that you should understand. That you should understand. So till now we have did everything manually. We have executed our Maven server. We have installed Maven here, and then we have built our code. Everything we did manually. Okay, but these things normally in real time we won't do. Normally what we do, we will do it on Jenkins. We do the same things in the Jenkins server. So let us see how we can do the same thing on our Jenkins machine. How we can do it on our Jenkins machine. So one moment, let me start it. And so Maven server is running now. Without Maven server, normally in real time, as I told you, we won't do this way. We will do it using Jenkins. So now through Jenkins, how we can do it? First thing, step by step, how to integrate SonarQube with our Jenkins server. So these are the steps. Step 1, we have to first of all install SonarQube scanner plugin, right? Sonar scan plugin is used to scan the code, right? For that reason, that plugin is required on the Jenkins. Previously, where we did, previously we have installed on my the Maven server where our code is running. Now I will not do this step. So what I will do, I will install Sonar scanner plugin. So how to install Sonar plugin? Let's do that. Go to our Jenkins dashboard. For Jenkins dashboard, when you working, use better you use T2 small. Sometimes while when we are working multi-branch, it has failed, right? Multi-branch could not take the load. So if try multi-branch also, if it's not working with the T2 micro, then try with the T2 small. For Maven, it is enough. Maven micro is enough. But for SonarQube, take T2 medium, and for Jenkins, take T2 small. If Jenkins is not responding properly. Here, How to install a plugin? Go to Manage Jenkins, login. Now Manage Jenkins. Now plugin I have to install, right? So for that, go to plugin section. Go to plugin section. Available plugins. Click on available plugins. Here you type Sonar Scanner. See SonarQube Scanner, right? Install SonarQube Scanner. This SonarQube Scanner selected. Now click on install option. This plugin allows an easy integration of SonarQube, the open source platform for continuous inspection of code quality. Okay. Now click on install button. Now it has been installed successfully. Restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. Okay, let me restart it. Remember, in real time, we are never going to restart. Remember, restarting is a serious task. In the year I'm doing it restarting, but in real time, you should not restart them. If you restart them, then there will be big problem. Your jobs which are running will be will be uh, will be stop running. So do not do this in real time. So these things normally we do on weekends when there are no jobs running. At the time we do it. When there is very minimal or no impact, at that time only we restart it. Remember that point. Now Jenkins has been installed, right? Next is go to our manage Jenkins again. Now this time, do you remember we used to add our plugin Maven plugin, right? Similarly, we have to add our SonarQube plugin. Add our SonarQube plugin, and after that, as you know, SonarQube plugin is there. Then we have to run Maven goals also, right? For that Maven plugin also required. For that Maven plugin also required. For that reason, I will say add Maven, right? These two things we have to do. For that, what I have to do, very simple. Go to our Maven Jenkins. This time, previously went to plugins. This time we have to go to tools option, right? Click on tools now. When you click on tools, you should see our Sonar scanner for MS build. This is for .NET applications. This is for .NET applications. So .NET will have different binary files. For example, if you see here, it have different frameworks. This belongs to all .NET. So if a code is .NET, then you have to use select one of the Sonar scanner option here. So I'm not using Microsoft build. I'm going to scan the Java code, right? For that you have to use SonarQube scanner installation. This one, not this one. Select this one. In this, there is a default version is there. The latest version I will take. So multiple versions are there. I will take the latest version, and I will name it as SonarQube scanner. I will say version also 5 year something. Okay, that name we have given now. Same we do with the Maven, right? The same thing, right? So install from Maven Central. So as I told you, remember, Maven will pull the SonarQube scanner from Maven Central. So when you go to mavencentral.com, then if you search over there SonarQube, you will find this plugin available over there. So Maven will pull it. Then what next? Maven install. Add Maven. Now this time Maven 3.96. This we did it many times. So you have to select 3.3. Just 3 is enough, or 96. I will simply say 396. This is a plugin name. Remember, initially we have installed here yum install Maven we did before. Now I am not doing that. Our Jenkins will take care about it. We no need to install anything. Just select the plugin, which version you want, then our Jenkins will take care. Similarly, the SonarQube also, you no need to worry, it will take care of everything. Apply now. right? Now everything is set up now. We are good now. We are good now. We can now start writing our pipeline code now. So what I am trying to do now? What I am trying to do now? The same thing. What I have did manually, the same thing I want to do. That means, but before that, we have to do few more things as well. Fewer settings also I have to do. What is that? Go to manage Jenkins. I'm sorry. Go to click on system. Okay. I have till now plugin installed, tools has done. Then go to system. One more last step. Or before going here, okay, let me see. If it does not work, I will come over here again. So you will understand in a moment. Come down. Slowly scroll down. We have SonarQube servers here option. SonarQube option. Okay. If checked, job administrators will able to inject a SonarQube server configurations as environment variable in the build. Okay. So go to manage system, go search, okay, select what is that option, select environment variables. So these are environment variables. So select environment variables in section SonarQube servers. Okay, select it. Okay, when you select it, come down here, option SonarQube installations. Now here, what we have to do? We have to add our SonarQube setting, right? Our URL, where it is running, what is its name, right? Add SonarQube. Add SonarQube in section. What is section name? Installations, right? Right. So this thing you have to do, right? Click on add SonarQube. You see it's asking what name you want to give. This property is mandatory. It's very mandatory. In pipeline, we are going to use this name. Remember. So I'm giving some name, any name, SonarQube server. This name is mandatory. And the same name I am going to use in my pipeline. Remember it. And then what is a server URL? See, default is it's showing localhost 9000, but you know we have a different URL. Copy this one, go to here and paste our HTTP link. Fine, up to here is fine. Remove the slash, no problem, even keep it but remove it. Then server authentication token, right? Token we already have. We already have a token, but here token is not added. So let me try to add a token here. See, it is not allowing me to add here, right? So what I can do? Up to here save, apply, right? Up to here save, apply, and click on save. Now I will come back here. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now click on credentials. Okay. Now this time, seventh option, go to manage Jenkins, and this time where you have to go? Credentials part. Credentials. Right? Here you have to select. Why I am doing it? I want to add my token here. Now click on system. Click on system. Right? You click on system, and then click on what is the option? Global credentials. In that we have option unrestricted, right? Fine. This one we have to select. click on global credentials. In that, on the right side we have add credentials, right? In this I want to add a credential. Click on add credentials. Click on add credentials. Username with password, GitHub app, various options are there. In this, out of this, I have to select secret file or secret text. Secret text. I have secret token, right? Token is a text, right? So secret text I have to select, right? Right? Then select secret text. Then what I have to do? Secret. What is secret I have? Copy that. The token I have just not copied, right? Where is the token? Here is a token which I have generated on the Sonar server, right? This one I have to select. Paste it here and go to ID. ID you can give any name, SonarQube server something ID, and description same I will paste. That's all you have to do. Now click on create button. Okay. Paste token created from SonarQube server. Okay, that step you have to do. Remaining you can give any ID. This you please do it. Give some name to ID and description. Now create. Now this ID has been created. SonarQube server ID, secret text. Everything is fine. Next, what I will do? This step now I will do now. Previously, okay, you did that anyway. Again, I will repeat it. Go to step 8. Now, in the 8th step, what I have to do? Uh, Go to manage Jenkins. Click on system. Come down. Here, server authentication is there. Okay, server authentication token, right? So for that, what you have to do? You have to go to manage and system, right? In this, I pasted it. Go to manage system, copy here. In this you have to select which option. You have to go to which section now? SonarQube installation section, right? Section. In this, select your token. This is the token ID I just created. SonarQube server ID. You select it. Okay. Select our token from the drop down list in section server authentication token. Okay, that you have to do. Save it. That's all. Apply now. Till now what we have done? Now till now what we did is, previously whatever we did with our file, palm file. In the palm file we added these steps, right? These steps we did on Jenkins in a different way. That is the only difference. Nothing is there. Previously we used to do these 6 in palm file, but here on Jenkins we have to do in system page. In the system page we have to set up these things. That's all. Nothing much. Next thing is what? Now a connection has been established. Next thing is what? Our code has to be built and the report has to be generated. For that we have to run a job. Let's go to write a job now. New item. I will say Sonar Cube pipeline. Select pipeline option here. Right, pipeline, and click on OK. Click on pipeline here. Right now, I want to select my GitHub Maven example here from here. Select it, and you see I got some code data here. And Maven tool, I want to use Maven tool, right? Maven tool name I am using different, right? Not this one. I will use simply Maven hyphen 396, I think. 396 my Maven tool name. And stage is build. I want to change this build. How many stages are there by default here? This post thing I will delete. I don't want it. Control Z. What I did. Okay, correct. And then there is only one stage. This stage beginning year and ending year, right? So I will copy this stage again. Don't confuse. I'm just copying it. Copy it. And then what I will do in this first stage, I will change it to GitHub. And here my job is only pulling the code from my GitHub. That's all. I don't want to put everything in one stage. In this stage, everything it is doing pulling and building. So, and this indentation is not proper. Some extra curly bracket is coming over here. See the code carefully. This is the pipeline beginning and the pipeline ending over here. You see a symbol is showing here, a round symbol. So that's matching. Tools having matching. Stage also matching. Stage also matching. Everything is fine. And one more stage I want to add. One more stage I want to add. So this stage one. After that, one more stage I want to add. This is a build stage. In this build stage, I don't want to have all this stuff. I will remove everything. So I want to just I'm trying to separate them. So now I have nicely added two stages now. GitHub stage and build stage, two stages inside the stages, right? And if you observe carefully, the build in the build stage Maven is running with goals what clean and package, and it is saying -d Maven test failure ignore true. So if tests are failed, even then you make the build as successful. So we are ignoring the test cases results. So that is the reason we are making it as true now. Now clean and package. Now git and this code is I don't, this is not my GitHub URL. Then for that what I have to do, I have to write proper git command. For that don't worry, just come down, click on pipeline syntax. Don't click here directly, right click and click on open link in new tab. Open here. So in this select git, somewhere here git, select it, repository URL. This is my repository. Copy it. And branch, you know, it's main branch. It is not master. Make it main. Right. Just come down and click on generate pipeline script. This is a script I have to copy now. Copy it and go to my pipeline and replace this git with our new script. Done. Now I am nowhere using SonarQube as of now. Just first what I want is I want to build it and see everything is in sync or not. Apply now. Save. Now build now. Click on build now. Immediately it's showing some issue. Let me see what is the issue. Console output. It is saying, did you mean Maven 396? Yes. Capital M. It is suggesting correct name. See, capital M. I have used small m. That is a problem. Right? Go to our configuration. Click on configure pipeline. If you practice, you will face a lot of problems, issues, so that in real time you won't afraid if you get any issues. So that is the reason we have to practice a lot to face issues while practicing itself. Now build is started. So GitHub stage is completed. Now build state is started. So first build, because it's a first build, as you know, it is pulling plug dependencies from the central repository. That is the reason it is taking a lot of time. For second build, it won't take much time. So build is successful now. Next is, what is the next job? Go to our pipeline, configure pipeline. So you use shortcuts as much as possible. You get habituated with using the shortcuts. Okay. So in real time, if you don't use some shortcuts kind of thing, if you're doing everything step by step, then the people don't afraid. Okay, the people may can understand whether you have really worked a lot on this Jenkins or not. They can judge you, but anyway, you can cover it out by saying that I have worked on other tools like Kubernetes, and Jenkins I have worked very less. That is the reason I am facing some issues while using it. Slowly I will become habituate once I start working on Jenkins as well. That way we have to say. But anyway, they won't ask you. But people are people. We don't know. Different kind of people, mentality people will be there. Now I want to add one more stage. This time I want to add code review stage. In place of build, I will say code review. And now for this we have to use SonarQube, right? Using SonarQube. Something I want to give some name here. And steps. In the steps, I don't know what to use. I don't know what steps I would use. I don't know. Then what I can do? Go to pipeline syntax again. Go to pipeline syntax again. In the drop down, search for an option Sonar. Uh, Wait for with SonarQube environment. Prepare SonarQube scanner environment. This is a option you have to select. This option, if you select, it will provide you default syntax to use it. Click on it. So sample step with SonarQube env. This one you have to select. In that, server authentication token. Whatever token we have added, that token we have to select here. SonarQube authentication token mandatory when anonymous access is disabled. Okay, select, drop down it. This is ID we have selected. Remember, select it. Right. After that, click on generate pipeline script. Click on generate pipeline script. Now this script has been added here. Copy the script. Here copy option is there. Copy that. Go to our pipeline. Here you paste it. Sorry. Seems it has not copied. Let me copy it manually and paste here. Now do proper indentation. Right. In the step with the SonarQube env, credential ID is this ID. So automatically when you when build is done, then it will be start code review. When you do code reviewing, after that when you run the code review, it has to connect to our SonarQube to pull the rules so that it can apply on the source code. The source code is already pulled from the GitHub, right? So that will be already available. So our SonarQube will apply the rules on the pulled code, source code. Okay, so this is the source code. We have to for that we have to pull the rules from the SonarQube. For connecting to the SonarQube server by our Sonar Scanner plugin, we have to provide the required credentials. The credential ID, you know it. In that, what we have given, the token ID we have given. So automatically it will fetch the token ID and it will connect to our SonarQube and it will fetch what? The SonarQube rules. The rules it will pull from the SonarQube website. And after pulling it, what? After pulling it, what we have to do? We have to run goal sh. What is the goal? Maven sonar sonar. The same thing we did on our machine. On this machine we have did on Maven server, we did it manually, but now the same command I am running over here, sonar sonar, using a shell command. So the Maven will be run this command. And one important thing you should understand. What is the important thing? Go to our dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, go to our system. So what is the URL? How can it connect to our server? This is the URL, right? It also contains the token information, everything. So this information is very important. This name we have to provide in our script. Copy this. When you give this name, then automatically it will refer our SonarQube server, which is running on this public IP. Okay, do not forget this one. Go to pipeline now. Here, authentication is this one. This is authentication. And next, what we have to do? We have to add one more parameter we have to pass, comma, installation name. We have to give installation name. One please. Installation name. So like the credential ID, this is the installation name. So the name we have provided inside our system page. There we have provided it. Here we have to put it in our single quotation. That name you have to copy here. Credentials ID this one. Installation name, spelling is correct, right? Installation name. These are credential ID and these are the keywords. These are the keywords. These keywords you cannot give whatever way you want. This has to be given same as like this only. This is a function actually. This is a library. We have used libraries. So this is a library. If possible, you can create this command inside a library. You can create a new library, something like duplicate window. We have go to here and here common Jenkins library. This is assignment. You do it whenever you have time. Go to where's. Here you can add one more file, add file. Here you can directly add a file, and like addition.groovy, you can say something like sonarcube.groovy, a new file you can create. Inside that, like no, you can create a call method, something like in the def call method. In this method, this line you replace with, suppose if you're building, you have to replace this list line, this line. If you want a SonarQube shared method, inside the call method you can copy the whole thing. The whole thing you can copy and paste inside the call method, and then you can simply call under steps. You can simply call, how you can call, whatever the file name you have given. What file name you have given? For example, assume you have given, in place of addition you given sonarcube.groovy. Then sonarcube, whatever name you have given here, that name you have to mention here, something like sonarcube, whatever, S capital, Q capital, whatever name, whatever way you have given. If you given S capital, then here also you have to give S capital. That's all. If you do this, whatever these commands are there in this library will be executed. You please try this as an assignment. Okay, and let me know if you face any issues. If it's not working out, let me know. So everything you can move into a method in a library format. Now what we have done now, stage is created and code review stage, and with the SonarQube environment, credential ID is this one, installation name is this one, and after connecting to it I have to run my sonar goal. But before that, I want to delete it. I want to do some changes, roll back some changes. Might be I have added, I have made as quality gate as default. Let me make this as quality gate as default, set as default, sonar as default, and then that's all. Go to projects. These are default project. Let me remove it, delete it, so that let me check whether Jenkins is able to deploy as expected. No issues, nothing is there. Let me run my pipeline now. Apply, save, build now. Now a third job should start in a moment. A build is happening. Now SonarQube review is happening. That means connectivity is, everything is happening automatically. Okay, so code review also completed. Let me check the console output. If you come down, finish success. So the same thing whatever we saw on our machine, Maven server, the same thing output you can see here. The same output is generated over here. So where is the profile name? So quality profile it is using for Java is SonarWay. You know how to change it by now. You know how to change it, right? So same thing has happened. Let us go to our dashboard. Let me refresh once. See, everything is came back. So go to project. The project also uploaded. So this way in real time we use Jenkins. We use Jenkins. So you please try. Don't uh, what do you call? Try today itself. Go to configuration. Go to pipeline. I want to copy this everything so that you can try with the libraries. Try with the library. Okay. Pipeline code to connect Sonar Cube. Okay. You practice it so that you will remember all the steps immediately. So I am saving and any questions till now, please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. So meanwhile, I wait for your questions. What I will do, I will stop them because they are medium type. They will consume. They will some bill will be generated. So bill will be very less actually. Terminate these instances. Anyway, first we'll let us terminate them. Just terminating. So bills, if you see the bills, go to billing section. If you have any bills, then pay them. If they are 5 rupees, 4 rupees, you pay them. If it is a huge amount, then you can mail them that accidentally it has been created. You can go to support. In the year, you can go to support center and you can mail them. So here, if you see bill in April month, the bill is generated 0.29. So today also I have used. So some more bill may be added. So but even though it is as of now 29 also, if you see how much it will be, $0.29 means sorry, $0.29 into 85 rupees, for example, roughly 85 rupees or 86 rupees. So 25 rupees I have to pay. So I have consumed some more servers here today. So it may come around 30 rupees, the 35 rupees. So that is okay. But sometimes accidentally forgot and you got some 3,000, 4,000 bill. You can send a mail to support team and asking them for their help that you have accidentally forgotten to stop the servers. You are a student, that way you can ask them. They will immediately they will revoke the charges, but do it before they freeze your account. Do it before they freeze your account. And if they don't do, they do it most of the time. If they don't do, no worries, no need to pay. You can create one more account with a new other card. New card, you create a new account, no worries. But amount is very less amount, 100 below 100 rupees, then you better use the same account for long time. In future you can see. So please let me know if you have any questions. If no questions, then we'll connect tomorrow. Okay then. Thank you very much for your time. Tomorrow we will meet at same time at 9:30. Thank you. Take care.